Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you enjoy content that's clear and actually helpful, don't forget to subscribe. I share videos you can really use. Let's get started.
Forwarding your Yahoo Mail to another account is a great way to keep all your messages in one place. First, log into your Yahoo account using a web browser on your computer. Look for the gear icon in the top right corner of the screen. Click on it and then select More Settings at the bottom of the list. On the left side of the page, click on the Mailboxes tab. Now, look for the mailbox list and click on your primary Yahoo email address. Scroll down on the right side until you find the section labeled Forwarding. Enter the email address where you want your mail to go. Click the Verify button to continue. Yahoo will send a confirmation email to that new address. You must open that email and click the verification link to finish the process. Once you do that, all your incoming Yahoo messages will show up in your other inbox automatically. Keep in mind that Yahoo sometimes requires a Yahoo Mail Plus subscription for this specific feature. If the forwarding option is grayed out or missing, you may need to upgrade your account. This setup helps you stay organized without having to check multiple websites every day. You can stop forwarding at any time by going back to these settings and removing the address. It is a simple process that saves a lot of time for busy people. Make sure to check your spam folder in the second account if you do not see the messages right away. This ensures you never miss an important update from your Yahoo contacts.
Thanks so much for watching. If you liked the video, tap the thumbs up, hit subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss anything new. See you next time.